In the black tomb of space, beyond the reach of ordinary starlight, lie the remnants of stellar death, pulsars. These are cosmic cadavers, neutron stars spinning faster than any machine built by human hands. Their beams of radiation lash across the void, slicing darkness with deadly precision. Pulsar is born when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, crushing matter into a sphere no wider than a city but heavier than the sun. Its magnetic field rages with unimaginable ferocity, turning vacuum into a furnace of charged particles. Every rotation emits a blinding flash, like the beating heart of a celestial ghost. Yet in this infernal realm, planets exist, unthinkable, tragic fragments circling the monster that killed their sun. These pulsar planets are worlds of paradox, remnants of annihilation reassembled by gravity's cruel persistence. They orbit death, bathed in radiation that could vaporize any trace of organic life. Imagine standing on the surface of one. The horizon glows with cold fire, and the sky pulses rhythmically, every second a new burst of gamma fury. There is no dawn, no night, only relentless cycles of light and decay. Even atoms tremble here, on the edge of matter's endurance. Scientists first discovered these planets by accident, detecting faint, rhythmic delays in radio signals. The tiny wobbles told a story of unseen companions tugging on their stellar corpse. The findings shattered assumptions. Life might not survive everywhere, but planets can be born again after stars die. The pulsar's energy output dwarfs comprehension. In a single second, it releases more power than our sun does in days. Magnetic storms dance across its field lines, warping space itself, an unholy ballet of light and gravity. These twisted forces rewrite the boundaries of cosmic stability. Each beam of radiation slices through interstellar dust like a celestial scythe. The charged particles accelerate to near light speed, forming radiation belts that shred atmospheres and reduce molecules to fragments. Any living cell caught here would be unmade before it could even scream. The surface temperature of a pulsar planet may plunge far below freezing, while radiation levels soar high enough to sterilize continents. It is a paradox of ice and fire, where matter freezes in shadow and burns in light. These are the scars of a universe that knows no mercy. Some of these planets may have once held oceans, skies, and perhaps the echoes of life. But when their star exploded, those elements were consumed, scattered, then ironically gathered again by the corpse's gravity. Reborn from ruin, they circle the source of their unending torment. The signals of pulsars serve as cosmic clocks, so precise that they surpass any human instrument. But their regular pulses are also their dirge, marking millennia like a funeral bell. Each rotation is a reminder that death has rhythm, and the universe keeps time with it. On these planets, a moment of calm is an illusion. Invisible storms of high-energy particles bombard every rock and crater. The atmosphere, if it exists, glows faintly with artificial auroras, spectral lights born from unseen violence. Darkness itself seems alive here, humming with radiation. One such system, PSRB 1257+12, shocked astronomers when its existence was announced. Orbiting it were multiple terrestrial mass planets, the first exoplanets ever confirmed by humanity. They are called Draugr, Poltergeist, and Vogter, appropriately named for ghosts, demons, and nightmares. Draugr, the innermost world, is locked in eternal radiation. Its surface is barren rock scorched by pulsar winds, a field of shattered minerals fused under magnetic rage. It completes an orbit in mere Earth days, forever circling the remnant that annihilated its parent star. Poltergeist and Vogter drift farther out, in orbits still haunted by lethal radiation. If they once had atmospheres, they were stripped long ago. Their surfaces are likely crystallized iron and silicate glass, reflecting faint pulses like mirrors of desolation. Every pulse bathes these worlds in fierce beams of X-rays and gamma radiation. If one could stand there in a protective shell, each second would bring a new wave of invisible fire. It would be like living at the mercy of a nuclear storm that never ends. Scientists see an eerie symmetry here, planets born from death, time measured by decay, light replaced by radiation. The cosmos recycles tragedy into existence, indifferent to beauty or horror. Every discovery reveals a truth both wondrous and cold, that death is never wasted in this universe. The magnetic field of a pulsar twists reality itself. Space ripples, ions dance, electrons scream past at unimaginable velocity. These fields can carve electromagnetic scars across a world's crust, leaving marks that may persist until the planet itself dissolves. What would a sky look like from such a world? Perhaps not black, but violet and electric, painted by charged particles spiraling down magnetic lines. Each pulse from the neutron star would ignite the horizon briefly, then plunge everything back into spectral twilight. In this relentless theater, cosmic radiation is both light and poison. It reshapes nature at the quantum level, rewriting atomic bonds. Rocks might glow faintly from absorbed energy, whispering secrets of their stellar mother's violent heartbeats. Pulsar planets may even hold clues about life's ultimate resilience. If something ever evolved there, it would be beyond recognition, creatures feeding on radiation, thriving in madness. But science offers no comfort here, such speculation borders on cosmic horror. These orbits are unstable over eons. Every rotation drags planets toward tidal stress, deforming them, twisting their cores. The sound, if sound could exist here, would be a slow metallic grind, the death sigh of worlds crushed in gravitational vice. Even light behaves strangely in this domain. The pulsar's gravity bends its own emissions, curving beams around its corpse like a crown of spectral halos. Time itself dilates, seconds stretch, moments smear, as if reality hesitates near these cosmic corpses. Astronomers listen to these ticking corpses with radio arrays spread across continents. The signals arrive with haunting precision, sometimes delayed by the slightest gravitational tug of an orbiting planet. Each variation tells of invisible worlds chained to stellar remains. The discovery of pulsar planets changed how we define possibility. Worlds can survive the death of their star, their very atoms reforged by violence. The lesson echoes like a warning: creation doesn't always need warmth, sometimes it arises from cold fire. Even when the pulsar finally fades, its planets may continue drifting through interstellar wastelands. Their orbits will loosen, their paths uncertain, until gravity from distant suns pulls them away. Ghost worlds set adrift in an eternal, silent current. Cosmic horror lives not in monsters, but in the vastness and indifference of such places. No gods dwell here, only physics, raw, merciless, infinite. The pulsar's rhythm will outlast empires, its icy pulse a heartbeat of oblivion. When human telescopes aim at these cosmic ruins, they are peering into time itself. Each signal takes thousands of years to arrive, carrying messages from a past drenched in radiation. We're listening to ghosts, and the ghosts are made of stars. The irony is profound: planets orbiting death have become our first proof that planets can exist anywhere. In destruction, we found creation. In annihilation, we discovered persistence. The universe hides its wisdom beneath layers of terror. Imagine traveling there, aboard a ship shielded from light and reason. Every approach would scramble electronics, magnetize hulls, and twist neural impulses. The closer you came, the more existence itself would unravel, as time pulses fractured your very awareness. As the pulsar's beam sweeps across your craft, alarms flash, equipment fails, not because of damage, but because physics itself ceases to behave. The environment defies logic, and causality flickers like a candle in a cosmic gale. You are beyond comprehension now. In that final instant before systems collapse, a pattern forms, precise, rhythmic, intentional. It's almost as if the pulsar is speaking, its encoded pulses stretching across eons. Are they random, or messages from something ancient, mechanical, and aware? Silence follows. No radio wave, no light, only the afterimage of a neutron star that has long since died. The cosmos continues its endless dance, uncaring, unfeeling, yet infinitely alive in its decay. And so, pulsar planets remain, remnants of catastrophe, spinning in radiation's eternal grip. They remind us where beauty and horror meet, where existence itself becomes an experiment in endurance. As the universe expands and cools, even the strongest pulses will fade into infinite quiet. The last echoes of these worlds will drift forever, unobserved, their suffering immortalized in radio ghosts no one hears. The end will not be fiery, it will be forgotten. The blackness between galaxies, the pulsar's dying heartbeat still ticks, a soundless reminder that even death leaves echoes. And if you listen closely, amid the static of space, you might hear it calling still.